Today I am reviewing the WOLFBOX MF200 compressed air duster. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The WOLFBOX MF200 compressed air duster is truly a game changer when it comes to keeping your devices, home, car, and outdoor spaces spotless. Unlike traditional canned air dusters, which are often wasteful and inconvenient, the MF200 is cordless, rechargeable, and built to last, giving you a versatile cleaning tool that can handle almost any task with ease. One of the first things you'll notice about the MF200 is its removable, swappable battery system. This feature allows you to keep a backup battery on hand, so cleaning sessions are never interrupted. The main battery provides up to 100 minutes of operation at the lowest speed, which is more than enough for multiple cleaning sessions without having to recharge immediately. Charging is quick and easy using a USB Type-C connection, taking only around 2.5 hours for a full charge. This flexibility makes it perfect for both home and professional use, as you can always have a fully charged battery ready to go. Power and performance are where the MF200 really shines. The duster is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor capable of producing an airflow of up to 87.5 meters per second. This is strong enough to blast away dust, crumbs, and debris from hard-to-reach areas, yet precise enough to clean delicate electronics safely. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can fine-tune the airflow to suit the task. Whether it's a gentle cleaning of your keyboard, camera, or PC components, or full-speed operation for car interiors, vents, and outdoor furniture. Versatility is another major advantage of the MF200. It comes with 4 nozzles and 2 brushes, so it's ready for any type of cleaning job. Whether you're dusting your office equipment, cleaning tight spots in your computer, or tackling household and outdoor chores, there's a nozzle or brush that fits perfectly. The included storage pouch makes it easy to keep everything organized and portable, so you can take this tool anywhere, whether it's to a friend's house, the office, or even for outdoor activities like camping. From a cost and environmental perspective, the MF200 is also a huge winner. Traditional compressed air cans are expensive and disposable, but this reusable duster is designed for over 500 uses per battery, saving you money in the long run. It's lightweight at just 0.85 pounds, making it easy to carry around, and the durable materials ensure it will last for years. The duster's compact design also makes it ideal for storing in a drawer or carrying in a backpack, so you can always have it on hand when you need it. The MF200 isn't just practical, it's also safe and reliable. It comes with a 24-month warranty and customer support, ensuring that any issues you encounter are handled promptly. Of course, as with any powerful electric duster, it's important to keep it away from flammable materials to ensure safe operation. In real-world use, the MF200 truly transforms the cleaning experience. Dust, dirt, and debris that would normally take ages to remove are blasted away in seconds, and the adjustable speed allows for careful cleaning of sensitive equipment. Whether you're a gamer who needs to keep your keyboard and PC clean, a professional keeping office equipment pristine, or someone who just wants a convenient tool for home or car maintenance, this duster does it all. In conclusion, the WOLFBOX MF200 compressed air duster is a powerful, versatile, and reusable cleaning tool that outperforms traditional air cans in almost every way. It's perfect for anyone who values convenience, efficiency, and long-term savings. From computer maintenance to home cleaning, car detailing, and outdoor tasks, the MF200 is designed to make your life easier. If you're looking for a high-quality, cordless, and reliable air duster that saves time and money, the MF200 is an excellent choice, delivering professional-grade cleaning power in the palm of your hand.